What if I told you the iPhone 16 is hiding features that Apple never announced? While Apple might not have shouted about every upgrade, this phone is packed with features you've been waiting for. From lighting adjustments we've all been waiting for to game-changing tech upgrades. This phone is full of surprises, and trust me, there's at least one feature you'll wish you knew about sooner. Ready to uncover what makes the iPhone 16 a true game-changer? Let's start right away. 1. Metal battery technology. Let's begin with one of the most unexpected features, the metal battery. Compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries, these metal batteries boast higher energy density, meaning you get longer usage time without increasing the size of the battery. But it's not just about lasting longer. Metal batteries charge significantly faster, cutting down on waiting time. For instance, in early tests, users reported achieving a 50% charge in just 10 minutes. This is perfect for those moments when you're on the go and need a quick power boost. 2. Macro photography. Now, this feature is what you'll have been waiting for. Apple has refined the ultra-wide camera with an enhanced macro lens that ensures sharper focus and richer colors even in low-light conditions. Imagine snapping close-up shots without worrying about blurriness or color distortion. The new AI-assisted stabilization adds an extra layer of precision, so you can get a perfect shot every time. Plus, it's incredibly user-friendly. Just move closer to your subject, and the camera automatically switches to macro mode. Plus, editing your close-ups becomes a breeze with Apple's revamped photo processing software, letting you fine-tune your shots for that professional touch. 3. Audio mix. Here comes the most surprising feature, the audio mix. This feature is a game-changer for content creators, music lovers, and anyone who appreciates fine-tuned sound. This hidden gem lets you blend audio seamlessly, giving you complete control over layers of sound in your videos, voice recordings, or even during live streams. Imagine shooting a video and being able to adjust the volume levels of background music, voiceovers, and ambient sounds all within the iPhone's editing interface. This feature leverages Apple's advanced audio processing chip, ensuring studio-quality output. With real-time audio previews, you can tweak everything from bass levels to vocal clarity without needing to transfer your files to another device. What's even cooler, you can save your custom audio settings as templates, making it easy to maintain a consistent sound across multiple projects. Whether you're a pro at mixing or just starting out, this feature turns your iPhone into a portable audio studio. 4. Wi-Fi 7. Now, let's talk about the speed upgrade. The iPhone 16's leap to Wi-Fi 7 is more than just a speed upgrade. It's a gateway to seamless, futuristic connectivity. With data transfer rates of up to 40 gigabits per second, Wi-Fi 7 ensures that lag, buffering, and dropouts become things of the past. Whether you're streaming 4K content, gaming online, or transferring large files, this technology handles it effortlessly. Wi-Fi 7's multi-link capability is a standout feature. It allows your iPhone to connect to multiple Wi-Fi bands simultaneously, optimizing speed and reliability, even in congested networks. Imagine downloading a movie in seconds or conducting crystal-clear video calls in crowded spaces without any interruptions. Additionally, its enhanced security protocols mean your data stays protected at all times. With smart home integration becoming more common, Wi-Fi 7 ensures that all your connected devices, from smart TVs to IoT gadgets, operate smoothly without hogging bandwidth. This upgrade isn't just about speed, it's about making your entire digital ecosystem faster, more efficient, and reliable. Faster 5G. Lastly, the iPhone 16's faster 5G isn't just an improvement, it's a redefinition of mobile internet. With enhanced millimeter wave, wave technology, and expanded sub-6 GHz spectrum, the iPhone 16 delivers speeds that rival fiber optic broadband. But it's not just about speed. The improved 5G on the iPhone 16 enhances connectivity even in crowded areas, like stadiums or urban centers where traditional networks falter. It also improves battery efficiency, ensuring that lightning-fast downloads don't come at the cost of your device's runtime. For business professionals, faster 5G unlocks possibilities like real-time collaboration on cloud platforms, instant file sharing, and even augmented reality meetings. And for gamers, ultra-low latency means you'll never miss a beat, even in competitive online matches. Which feature excites you the most? Or did we miss one you're hyped about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Outta Here for more insights. See you in the next video.